Meet the kids. This is Red. He's a boy. He's sweet. He's very sweet. This is little purple girl. She's feisty. She shouldn't take any crap. She usually doesn't start it though either. Here's Wolfie. He bites like a big dog, but he is also sweet. And usually winds up on the bottom of the pile when there's a fight happening. When there's a wrestling match, puppy wrestling match, he's on the bottom. This one, very strong personality. I call her Grace. She's got the light blue collar. And dark blue collar, she's very feisty. And she loves to play with balls, toys. She acts like she wants to fetch already. Oh, did you start to wake up? What? This is Wolfie. He's got the black collar on. And he's tired now. He's kind of lazy. Just a little bit.